Hi, third graders. Today we are going to be working on Word Study, Unit 9, adding endings to words that end with Y. So your target is I can spell words by adding endings to words that end in Y. For example, these are words like study, studies, and studied. Open your packet to this page and have your 3 highlighters ready. You will need a yellow, green, and blue highlighter. For your test on Friday, you will need to know how to add Y to words with a vowel plus the letter Y. Just add the ending. Highlight that one with yellow. Some examples are enjoy and delay. You can just add S at the end, add an ED to the end, or add an ING to the end of those base words. You will also need to know how to add Y to words with consonants plus the letter Y. When you see those, just add ING at the end. Highlight this one in green. Some examples are study and carry. You can add ing to each base word. Words with a consonant plus the letter Y, drop the Y and add IES or IED. Highlight this one in blue. Some examples are study and carry. Drop the Y, add IES, and drop the Y and add IED. On this page, we are going to use our yellow highlighters to highlight the words that end with a vowel and a Y. Remember, the vowel letters are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. The examples on this page are betrays. The base word betray ends with AY. So that's a vowel plus a letter Y at the end. We can just add that S. Obey is the base word. It ends with a vowel and a Y. We can just add the S ending to make that word into obeys. Overstay ends with a vowel and a Y. All we need to do is add our ending ED to make the word overstayed. Conveyed, the base word convey ends with EY. Repay, look at the base word. It ends with AY, a vowel and a Y. Destroy is the base word. It ends with the vowel O and a Y at the end. Highlight those words on this page in yellow. Now we are going to use our green highlighters to highlight the words on this page that end with a consonant and a letter Y. And all we are doing is adding an ING at the end. So the consonants are all the letters that are not vowels. The base word carry ends with a consonant R and a Y. We can just add ing to the end to make the word carrying. Empty is the base word. It ends with a consonant T and a Y. We can add ing to that base word to make emptying. Envy is the base word. It ends with a consonant V and a Y. All we need to do there is add an ing, and now we have the word envying. Mark these words with a green highlighter on this page. We are going to use our blue highlighters to mark the words on this page in which we need to change the Y to I and add either an ED at the end or an ES at the end. The word apply, the base word is spelled A-P-P-L-Y. We change the Y to an I and add ed. Hurry is the base word here. H-U-R-R-Y. Change the Y to an I and add es. Copy is the base word for this one. Change the Y to an I and add ed. When we look at scurried, the base word is scurry. Change Y to an I and add ed. Tally is spelled T-A-L-L-Y. Change the Y to an I and add es. And vary is spelled V-A-R-Y. Change the Y to an I and add es. Mark the words on this page that follow that rule with your blue highlighter. Next, you are going to complete the next 2 pages in your packet on your own, following the same rules. You are going to highlight words that end with a vowel plus the letter Y in yellow, words that end with a consonant plus the letter Y in green, and words where you change the Y to I and add IES or IED with blue. So here is your first page of your assignment. Here is the second one. When you are finished, check over your work and save this in your red reading folder. Notice that you will have to add the letter A right here. This word is accompanies, and the A got cut off in the printing. So just add your A at the beginning of this word, and then you may start highlighting your 2 pages.